good morning, good morning. We are back at it again today, heading out to Palmdale to meet up with Zach and Freddie, my buddies that helped me install my airlift suspension with my girl Janice. We woke up pretty early today because a big event is happening. It's a big BMW event being held by URBXNCANVXS. They've got a lot of events that they have planned. I've been to one before and it's been awesome. So definitely didn't want to miss out on this one, especially because I ended up missing out on Beamer Fest of 2021. I feel like this one's going to be way better. They've got like track. You can drag the car or you can just kind of show it off. So it should be pretty cool. Can't wait to air out and show off the car. So hopefully I see a bunch of you guys out there. Hopefully we run into a lot of my Instagram friends and get to see their cars in person. I know a lot of them are going out to this event today. We're going to be heading to Willow Springs Raceway. That's where they're going to be holding the event. So it should be pretty cool. Stay tuned. You got a Sharpie? A little one. Just for the photos, you know? Just so it doesn't stand out as much. That shit look brand new. Sorry, y'all. This happened less than 24 hours after installing the bags. My lip was already broken, but look at that shit. See? Now it don't stick out like a sore thumb no more. We all good. Thank you, Sharpie. Damn, look at that fitment though, boy. Damn, my boy got the new tail lights though. Yeah, it's dope. Looks good. We're just waiting for Freddie to get here and then we're gonna head out. Feels good right now, but I know it's gonna be hot later. I guess Sam looking at airlift kits now and shit.
Fuck yeah.
You hear that, Sam? You better buy some bags, boy. We already know Freddie about to do that shit too. Woo! Daddy's here. Car looks clean. You ready? First BMW meet?
Yeah. See what's up. We'll see how big it is.
Yeah, my boy got a new lip.
Cheers.
Hell yeah, that shit looks fire. Hopefully this one lasts a little bit longer than the last one. All right, so we're all ready to go. We're gonna head out. Hopefully we can get there again before 8. It's only 7:15 right now. We're not too far away from Willow Springs. So let's get it. We're out here at Willow Springs. A bunch of cars already here. Made good time. It's 7:45. The gates don't open till 8. Usually there's already a line behind us right now. Damn. Woo! I missed this one. This one smelled good. Shout out to Zach. I gotta spray the whole back end of this car. All right, we just got done wiping the car.
It just sucks that she works the weekend.
She looking good. Got the boys out here.
I'm trying to tell her.
Got to park next to each other, so we good. The track sounds insane. Like there's a GT3 RS that's mobbing. Or it's just a GT3. Fuck, that shit's moving. Oh, there's a GT3 RS. Yeah. What up, EG? Did you run the track yet?
I'm at 9.
You're at 9?
Yeah. What's up?
How you been?
Good, man. As always. Getting ready. Yeah. Oh shit, I see you. Tagged out. It looks so good, bro.
Dude, I've been seeing everybody with this. Are you gonna do the same shit or what?
Oh, I have PVF on my
Oh,
car,
okay.
so
Dude, I love it. Hell yeah. Damn. They knocked it all out that one day, right?
Yeah, real quick.
That shit looks sick. Yeah, have you tracked it yet at all?
This is the first time, bro.
Bro, they're mobbing. I'm like,
I was literally watching. I was like, fuck, these guys are sick, dude. I'm ready, you know?
you got a helmet too and shit?
Yeah, I got a helmet. I'm all ready.
You guys need to follow my boy. He's got a short shifter in here, so should be banging gears real easy. Love his car. He's got the big wang, so you know I'm a fan of his build. Can people ride with you or what?
I don't think so.
Nah,
I don't know. Fucking crazy cars, dude.
The track's pretty big, to be honest. So you did the meeting and shit, and so what are they gonna let you do first? Like, you're gonna like do any warm-ups or anything like that?
Yeah, the first one we're doing warm. Oh damn, fuck man. Second
got it, bro?
Yeah, thank you. Hopefully
Yeah, first lap. I think first 2 they're gonna take it pretty easy, at least for like the beginners, you know.
Yeah.
And then they're gonna start letting us like send it and shit. I've never been on a track, shit.
What?
Yo, what up, Nico?
Oh yeah. I got Advance for auto, fucking Motul. This shit's all fucking tracked out right
Oh
now.
yeah. the only advance is doing ride along. I can't remember it.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask. I want to see if I could catch a ride.
Are we doing ride alongs? For novice or now? At all?
Novice, maybe at the end of the day,
maybe?
just to see how everyone's behaving.
Okay.
You know? So,
Hopefully, yeah.
But everybody out here is like straight pipe too and shit. Going in the garage right here. We need one of these. I don't know if it's wrapped or if this is actually a frozen. Hey, I know this dude. I follow this dude on Instagram. Oh, this shit's sick, bro. Looks really, really good in person. Love how your TEs have so much lip on them, bro. It looks really, really good. So we about to take a look because this is the pump. This is the only pump out here.
How much do you think? Guess. Don't look. Don't see.
It's race gas too, so that shit's probably like $11. Order. Oh yeah, look. 110. Oh, it's $9.99. It's not bad. Yeah, and 91 is freaking $7. Better bring your own gas out here. Sheesh. That shit's sick. Kind of the bag boy out here. Somebody give me my glasses. Give me my stunner shades. That shit's sick. This used to be the homie at Mastermind. This is nice. I have yet to see this color in person. How many times have you been out here?
This is my first time here. But I've been to Auto Club twice, and then I went to another track by Big, like Chuck Willow or something. It's like all the way in the desert too. Over on the other side. Yeah.
Okay.
And then once I did it, now I'm hooked, dude. Don't do it, man.
Yeah, don't give him ideas.
Don't do it. Dude.
I'm already worried.
I want to at least do it once.
Yeah, then on stage 2.
Stage 2? Nice. Yeah, right now I'm stage 2 right now too.
Boot move?
But I'm just off of boot mod, yeah. Yeah, no custom tune yet.
Crank up?
Not yet.
Don't give no ideas, please.
I'll get to it when I get to it.
Oh yeah, I gotta do a walk around in your car too. But you guys need to follow JB. He's got a YouTube channel too. He's got the Yasmarina Blue. We're gonna take a look at that one in a bit.
You wanna check it out?
Yeah, let's go right now. Let's do it. It's JB's car right here. What year is yours?
2015.
Nice. Carbon. Love it. Dude, nice. You using gloves right now or no?
Yeah, it helps.
Yeah. I'm gonna follow you on Instagram too, bro.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Yeah, you got the V2s, huh?
Yeah, me too.
Those are sick. I'll keep an eye out for you. So you're about to go on the track right now?
Yep.
All right, man. Enjoy. Drive safe, man. Have fun. And got an M5 out here. Daniel, bro, I saw you roll up. Love the car, bro. Looks sick. Hopefully I catch up with you today. His fitment is crazy. This boy's running so low. Love his wheels. Always complimenting his wheels, man. So sick. His fitment's good. He's static too. It's crazy. He's got the authentic GTS taillights. Should sound good. You're single turbo?
Yeah.
That shit sounds insane, dude. Fuck. Which kit is it?
JP Works.
JP Works. That's crazy. You got a fat turbo down there. That's sick. Immediately, I was like, oh yeah, single turbo for sure.
supporting my boy. Man, the homie, he hooked it up. Got one. Needed one for my airlift. And then I'm gonna cop one of their, this is a charger too. Pretty automatic. Look, it's pretty sick. Just automatically locks into your phone. Then when you want to take it away, opens up. It's pretty sick. We got the homie out here, Stormy. Finally got to meet him in person. So shout out to Peyton. Got me the hookup for a wireless charging mount for the vent. Got this one for Bae. If she doesn't want to use it, then I'm definitely gonna use it. Thank you, bro.
Want me to tag you?
Shit's getting crazy. Dude, I want to hear that GT3 though.
That shit's gonna scream.
That shit's gonna take off so hard.
It's gonna be the loudest car out there.
You got a clear broad or what? Huh? You got a clear broad? No?
We'll see how it goes.
Nah, it looks good. I just realized, I was like, wait, I've seen this car before. Yeah, in the VIP over there.
How's the back?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah. Man, you guys are making me want to freaking track the car though. Yeah. Looks good. Have you ran the track already? Not yet. Have fun, man. It's gonna be sick.
Are you nervous?
Now that you asked, yeah. I was before that.
What do you guys have to do to get a passenger?
Nothing. Well, once you register, you can take it back.
So anybody can take a passenger? You just have to have a helmet, I guess.
Oh, what? Oh.
All right.
I was gonna say,
yeah, I'm gonna see if UG got a.
I'll have an extra helmet if you guys want to call.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm down to do a ride. How many times?
go ahead, go.
Yeah.
Are you sure though?
Where is it though? Are you guys running again, or this is the only time you guys are on the track? Enjoy. I'll go on the next one.
Oh, that's so cool.
I want to make sure you know the track and shit. You know, I showed you guys Yuji's car earlier. I'm about to ride along with him on this one. It's gonna be so sick. It's all official. Got his helmet. Love the cage. Should be super fun. I've ridden in this car before when he was helping me get rollers of the homies before, so I know he can drive. Yee, let's go. We got a helmet. About to ride with Yuji. Hell yeah, you guys, it's gonna be sick. Probably doesn't look that great, but it's a little snug, but it's all good. I'm trying to make this fit. Trying to make this work. I know, bro. Damn, they're making Daniel move his...
department will shut this event down.
Damn, they're making Daniel look. Daniel's the M4, bro. That sucks. I don't know. We're gonna see this fool booking it out of the crowd. You guys, this is gonna be freaking insane. Thank God for AC. Oh yeah. Let's go. Hey! This shit cutting circulation to my head, but it's all good. Rocking a small helmet, making it work. I had no idea I was gonna do this, so I'm hyped that I can even do this. even pushed my car like this yet. This is sick.
Crazy what these cars can do, honestly.
Yeah, dude. This shit's gripping right now. You're like super confident with it too, dude. Guys, that was totally insane. Feels good to get some blood back in my head. His helmet was way too tight. That was sick. He sent it. We're good. We almost were in the front, so that was dope. All right, you guys. Well, that's pretty much it for today. That shit was so much fun riding with Yuji. Damn. Makes me want to do it. I survived, we're good, make it home. It was a super fun day out today. Shout out to Urban Canvas, you guys follow them. They're always having huge events. And this is the second one I've been to and it's been freaking killer. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. It was real fun, I had a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed all the content, all the dope cars that were out today. Stay tuned, subscribe if you guys have not. Follow me on Instagram, it's the same as my YouTube. You guys know what it is. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.